everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Omotola Adeloye. Thanks so much for coming back to my channel. Do not forget to like, share and comment. Thanks so much. So the conversation we'll be having today is things I wish I knew in my early 20s. So if you're in your early 20s or probably going to your 20s, you should watch this video because this might be of help to you. So the first thing I wish I knew in my early 20s was knowing the exact thing I really wanted to do with my life. That's number one. No, I wish I knew what I really wanted to do earlier, and I wish I was able to get a mentor for what I wanted to do, because I feel like we all need a mentor to push us to be who we really want to be in life. That's the number one thing. Then the number two thing I wish I knew earlier was investing more in self-care. Yes, we assume that when we spend some certain amount of money, it's a waste. But it's not a waste. As a lady, as a girl, I think we need to take good care of ourselves more. Smell now nice, dress nice, speak softly. You don't have to, be irrational. Just be soft. Be that soft-spoken babe. Be classy and as well as take no nonsense. Yes. So the number three things I wish I knew as a young lady was speaking to myself, words of affirmation. I wish I started doing that earlier than this. Just look at the mirror, take a spin, look at yourself, and just speak well of yourself. Be confident. Be very, very confident. So no one can even talk down on you. You really know who you are. No one will be able to speak less of you, because what do they really want to say that you don't even say to yourself? You look beautiful. Say that to yourself in the mirror. Hi, babe. You look so beautiful. Take a spin. Show them. Let them know. Exactly. The number four things I wish I knew earlier was reading books. There's some certain books you read that your life will never remain the same. I know it's a time right now, it's a time for the Gen Z, social media. We get carried away and we really forget to invest more on ourselves, in our growth. So there's some kind of certain books you read that would improve your charisma, your confidence, the way you see things, the way you talk, even the way you respond to situations. Exactly. So I wish I started reading books earlier than now. Now the number five, the 15th, yeah, I wish I knew as a young lady is knowing that perfection is an illusion. Yes, it doesn't have to be perfect. It all has to just make sense. Yes, I can be a perfectionist. When I look at something, I analyze things. Like I look at it like this thing. I try to be the perfectionist, which is not. It is an illusion. It is a dream. Even no one is actually perfect, right? So do not chase to be a perfectionist, but do things, let it make sense. Exactly. As long as it makes sense to you, that is what matters. I wish I knew that earlier. Maybe I would have started some things even earlier than maybe I would have done some business. I would have invested in some things that more than now, or probably earlier than this. That's number five. Should I add one more for you, or I should just keep up? Or I should probably do another video, but I think I should just add one more. The number 16 I knew, the 16 I knew, right? Earlier than this is, you should know failure is okay. It's okay to fail. Yes, it's okay to fail. It's okay not to not to get it right in the beginning, and it is okay for you now to go back to your drawing board and see that, where did I really make this mistake? Where exactly did this mistake come from? And just go and make your adjustments and come back stronger. So don't be scared of failure. Yes, don't be scared of failure. It's okay to fail. But what is really bad to do is staying down as a failure. Once you fail, do not hesitate to stand up. Stand up stronger. You've learned from your own failure. You know the exact thing you did wrong, right? You know the exact thing you need to do more. And you also know how you do more to achieve better results. You can fail once, you can fail twice. Exactly. It is okay. It doesn't define you. It doesn't mean you will always be a failure. No. Even the great men, they failed and they came back with good results. So do not be scared of failure. It's okay. Should I add one more for you? Okay, so maybe I'll do more videos and I'll post. But for now, do not forget to share and comment on my YouTube channel. Thanks for coming. Thanks so much for watching. Thanks so much for taking your time to watch. Don't forget to like, share, and comment. Thank you. And if you have an additional comments about what to do and what not to do, you can actually post it in the comment section so we can learn from you also. Nice having you. Tada! Love you.